Hello dear fans. How lightning occurs. One of the earliest evidence of what lightning is about was a snapshot of the location where the flash is visible, taken with the shutter closed. The picture shows that lightning is a discharge that travels along the same path. Primary lightning strike. The very process of lightning formation can be divided into the primary strike and all the others. This is justified by the fact that the primary lightning strike, unlike others, makes a path, channel, for an electric discharge. It happens in the following way. A powerful negative charge accumulates in the lower part of the cloud. The surface of the Earth is positively charged. Thus, the electrons lying at the bottom of the cloud, under the influence of the potential difference, rush down. This process does not yet produce any flash of light. At some point, they stop for a few microseconds, and then continue to move in the other direction, making their way to the ground. Each such step with a stop forms a stepped structure. When the electrons reach the Earth's surface, a channel is formed free for the passage of electric charges, through which the remaining electrons rush down in a huge stream. Electrons that are near the surface of the Earth are the first to leave the channel, forming a positively charged place behind them. Nearby electrons rush to this place. Thus, all negative electrical charge leaves the cloud, forming a powerful electrical current directed towards the ground. It is at this moment that you can see a flash of light, and then hear thunder. Repeated lightning strikes. After the primary impact has already formed a channel for the passage of electrons, the repeated impact follows the same path. This is due to the fact that the electrons during the primary impact ionize the air around them, therefore, a conducting channel is already provided for the secondary electrons. Thus, the secondary and subsequent lightning strikes occur without pauses and stops characteristic of the primary strike. Often there is one or two strikes, but often you can see how lightning strikes 5 or 6 times in the same place. It happens that the leading branch of lightning begins to branch. This is possible if the electrons of the primary channel break through different paths for themselves. In this case, if one of the branches reaches the ground much earlier than the other, then the first makes its way up and reaches the beginning of the second branch. At this moment, the main branch empties the non-main one, and the observer gets the impression that it is the second branch that hits the ground, and not the first. As a rule, about 100 meters from the soil, the process of electron penetration becomes somewhat more complicated. For example, if there is some tall or pointed object at the place of impact, then due to the formation of a powerful electric field, the discharge begins to rise already from this object itself, without waiting for the impact of electrons. Thus, the electrons do not reach the surface of the Earth, but the counter-discharge. Thanks for watching.